All right, so this is episode 2 of the 6100 to 25K challenge, and I'm gonna give you the update here. Yesterday we talked about jumping into QS calls, so instead of doing the June calls, we went to February 2025 $6 calls. So I bought 50 of them, and in case you guys didn't watch the other video, we expect the B samples to come in, and then I believe we could get a nice pop towards this resistance over here, and if we do get above that, you can see a nice move up towards 13. So that's the plan for that. Besides QS, we also jumped into MU. And the issue with MU today was that it had a nice bounce in the morning. However, we bought in around this level here. And what I bought exactly, check right here. Yeah, so we got in around 943, $90 calls for this week. We bought 6 of them. And we did see a pop, but what I noticed as we made our way up to the SMA, it was such a stagnant move, to be honest. Like, it was not straight enough, I guess, that the call options weren't doing that well. In fact, it was getting, as we started dipping over here, I was getting closer to where I bought in, and I bought in over here. So I decided to cut losses, and I didn't lose anything. Sorry, I made a profit about $30 because when I saw this rejection over here, it was moving too slowly. I'm like, I'm out. And as you guys could see, it continued to just trend downwards and then be flat for the entire day. So luckily, we got out of this play because I did just not like the movement over here. It didn't go anywhere. So besides MU, we also decided why not do another long-term play. Actually, not long-term, short-term. SoFi, which had a very nice bounce today, a lot of volume, and going into the Fed meeting, I'm expecting this to do really well. And we jumped in for $8 calls for November, so that gives us leeway time between now and November. We also get that earnings call in between, so if things doesn't go our way Wednesday, either we cut losses or we risk it for the earnings, see what happens. But I really think it's a good company, so hopefully will continue to trend upwards. And as you guys can see, one thing I noticed too on the weekly, actually we jump in a daily real quick. We're currently breaking out of a resistance. If this will load. Okay, cool. So we're retesting this previous resistance. If we get above it, could see that $10 or even shoot higher. So that's SoFi right there. And just to show you guys, here are the positions we made and how much we made, or what we're currently up. And right now, our balance is looking around 62.98. It's about 6,300. So far, it's so good. And I'll give you another update as soon as we make another play. Maybe I'll continue the market updates or stocks to look at. But in the meantime,